Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be fixing up my background. As you already know, well, you would have noticed already that I have been monetized on YouTube. Finally, yes, I've decided that I'm gonna just do something with my background so that when I do sit down videos like these, then you can have a better view, than just this bare white plain wall. I asked Francine to come and help me to choose some stuff that can spruce up my background. So she's here. Come here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm here on Sashoni's live today because we are gonna decorate and I can't wait.
Yeah, so first we're gonna go to Seria.
Yes.
And then we're going to go to Daiso.
Just in case we don't find what we're looking for at Seria, then Daiso will have it. We're gonna get some inexpensive but really good quality things to put on the wall.
I've been looking for something like this to put on my couch. So maybe I can use this. I wonder if this will be big enough. What do you think? Yes? No?
I love the ivory. This is not all white. It kind of looks white. White cream beige.
Alright, so we can look at
this one look beige, this one look white.
This looks like my coat, my little tiny thing.
Oh yeah, you can tie these onto the coach.
So I think I'm gonna get 2 of these and 2 pink.
Why you get into pink and to white?
Because I don't want it to be all white or all pink. So I want to mix it up. So maybe the seed can be pink and the back part of it can be white or something like that.
We're trying to find wallpaper.
No?
Real flowers. Yes, so you're gonna get a vase or a vase, a nice piece.
I know me. I can't take care of those. I have to get the fake one.
But your apartment is better than mine. Like you have the aloe vera and it was thriving.
Because aloe vera don't take much maintenance.
Then you can get a cactus.
No, I want something colorful, like how I have the white in the background.
Okay.
Maybe this.
Alright, sunflower and...
I don't even know what is sunflower. Wait, is it that you buy single or something?
Yes.
What the hell?
This is the small piece. So you'd have to get the sunflower because these are big and at least summer is coming.
I want to have like a nice background so when you guys are watching the videos, there's something to the side. So Francine picked out all of these flowers, these combinations. These are nice to stick on the wall. Like maybe the black flower. Like, this is like the thing that
You can use it to make Easter wreaths. You can use it to make Christmas wreaths that you put on your door.
No, I'm good. What do you think about maybe this? No? I think like when I get a wallpaper, I want to put something on it.
Like decals.
Wallpaper.
She's excited. This is what she came here for, guys.
Yes, look at this. So cute. I want like a white one. Maybe. But these are very short. I think Daiso has some longer ones. We're going to check Daiso to see if we can get some longer ones. Because these are too short. But I like this design. Do you like it? Yeah, I like it. Go.
What color is your floor?
It's brown. Yeah, but the floor won't be showing in the
Oh, that's
video.
right. Christmas is coming early, guys. Christmas is here.
Yeah, this
already.
Nice. No, I mean for Christmas.
For Christmas, yes. For Christmas, definitely. Look like my granny had. This is the best one. Daiso, Daiso. Here it is, walking for Daiso, Daiso.
I like this, but it's kind of similar to the background that I have at home. So the wallpapers in here are a little limited, so we decided, well, we haven't really decided with this or this, but this one is shorter, so if I get these, then I would have to probably get 4 of these, but with this one, I would need 2. So, I don't know, which
It's really hard to decide because no, me prefer the gray.
which one, yeah, I'm thinking which one would look better in videos.
Exactly.
Because I'm probably gonna be still hanging stuff on the wall, maybe add stuff to the background. Alright, I'm gonna take this, right? Okay, so this is it.
So we decided we're gonna get the gray ones.
Now we need to find a vase or vase like these. But this looks like a green.
That's not a vase.
Yeah, but there's no other option. We're gonna have to use something like this.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Perfect. Yeah, and it's tiny, it's small, so yeah, everything can hold in it. Yeah. Alright, so I think we got everything. All the wallpaper is enough,
Yeah.
and it looks good. And this is it. So let's
Just
go
2 wallpaper.
Yeah, you think I can get more?
One more.
Okay, alright, let's get one more just to be on the safe side. Mat, I need a toilet mat. Yes, no.
I love that color. Love, love, love that one.
I want like a matching top, you know?
Like for the toilet seats
Yeah.
cover. Oh.
I have one of these already now, but I'm gonna use it for I'm gonna get this toilet cover and this toilet mat. Yeah, because even though it's not, the brown doesn't match, but at least it's close.
Yeah, it's close.
Yeah, so okay, yeah. So I have to get this one because my toilet is open right here. I have the U-shaped toilet seat.
Sash, where are you going with so much sweets? Makes you trying to have diabetes. No. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, alright, let's go catch.
Let's go catch. Social distancing.
We're going
To the supermarket. Okay.
I'm getting meat, carrots, and tissue, and that's all.
What kind of meat is that?
I think this is either breast or Thai. I don't know the difference, but I need a fleshy type of meat because I'm gonna be making chicken and oyster sauce.
Okay.
Yes. It is really good.
Yes. But it could be cow or I think that one's cow.
Oh, I don't want it. Ew.
I normally eat that. Seaweed? Hijiki. Yeah.
Do you eat them?
Not like that. Normally in the bento when it come in there.
Okay.
Sashi's thinking about getting some seaweed, guys.
The stuff that we are not used to in Jamaica. Like you won't go to the supermarket and see this stuff.
Well, I don't buy fish at supermarket. I go to the seaside.
Octopus.
How much is it?
477.
What used to be one of my favorites.
I've eaten it probably once or twice, but it's not my cup of tea. Oh, I need ice cream. My favorite ice cream.
Look at this girl know that I'm non-dairy and she had carry in an ice cream section.
I'm sorry. I like this ice cream, really good.
Do you want some ready-made meals? Some fish? Some sushi. Banana.
When I said I'm only coming in here for 2 things,
Yes.
look how much.
2 things turn into a lot of things, guys.
Yeah, I have to get avocado. Wait,
And those are the big ones, so it's better to get those. Not that one, Sash. Pick and choose.
okay. Alright. I'm not gonna get anything else. Promise. Okay.
That's what she said, guys. I thought she just said she wasn't buying anything else.
No, I'm already here, so I just gonna just buy it. I like these. Whatever. When I just get, I like the pastries that have the cream in the middle. I'm looking for that one.
Cream in the middle, guys.
Also like this one. And also the one with the cream in the middle. I get something like this, but not this one. So yeah. Alright, let's go, Kat. One single carrot because that's all I need for today. We made it back home.
And we're just gonna jump right into it because we are going to decorate. So we have these wallpaper here that we picked out. You saw when we were picking it in the stores. We decided to go with this one, so we're gonna put these up.
These are short.
Alright, so if you maybe do it that way, then you probably get a longer
Yeah, but we're gonna probably need
from the top.
From the top, make it dark.
Want to also do that, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so when you sit down and do the video.
Now when I sit on like this, oh, it's gonna need to come down, meet in the couch. Right here. Right here. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you think this is like this way is better? I think I need to carry it over somewhere. I think I need one more.
Okay, so do I want
Because-
the And then when you get the extra one, you add it.
Yeah. So up next, we're gonna use the cushion to decorate the couch. Okay.
Yes.
So we have this. I need to take this off.
Right. These are really nice. It's a blush color. We're gonna put a blush as base here on the couch. I mean, it would be nice if we could like put like all of them. We can make it work.
Like this? Does this look good?
In the middle. It has to be in the middle. Because if it goes to the end like this, you're gonna have to like, if you had a sewing machine, then you could just cut right here so and just.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
No, but that's how you make things work when you want them to.
I thought this would have been big enough because since my couch is so tiny.
So the chair covers are not really working for the settee or the sofa, but we're just gonna make it work the way we want it to for now.
Okay, so I think this is okay.
Yeah, so far so good.
Yes. So I don't know what I'm feeling about this. But of course, you're not gonna see here. Usually it's like from here upwards.
So that's why it's gonna look good.
It's gonna look fancy. Next, we have the flowers.
Yes!
So let's get these photos. Ooh.
Weird sash.
Okay, so I need to get a table, as like, you know, a small thing. Something like that. But yeah. But for now, gotta work with what we got.
I wish we had more of these.
Yeah, I think I bought these from AliExpress.
So where's the other one?
I only have one.
So we got these fake looking sticks that we think would actually make everything look better. We're just gonna space them out around the flowers and see how it looks. Need to probably go to Seria, which is the material shop, and get like half a yard of this one.
You got here?
In Yokohama. Like I like the sticks.
Yeah.
And if we have pampas grass, that would be good, but we don't have any pampas grass.
As in the fake grass?
Well, it looks like nice field. Like if you look at any other decor videos on YouTube, you'll see most of the home decor people have pampas grass.
Do you know I'm gonna look if I can find a table
So
from AliExpress. No, from Amazon.
yeah. Should be able to.
Because I like it like this. Looks like it lacks some colors.
Yeah.
You know, the camera.
Probably need more pink. There's a lot more flowers to make it pop, but these are 100 yen.
I'm definitely probably gonna get some more flowers. So you said it's better to get pink? Okay.
And fill it up, and or you can get some beads to put in here.
So if I get the beads, I don't need any more flowers?
You probably don't.
Okay.
Look at the tree.
Yeah, look at the transformation though.
Yes. I like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get a table. Maybe I can get a small table.
This is nice though. Like if you don't need the big one, you can just have this one. But if you like, you already have this, you need to buy another one for them here. Always buy two. That's the rule of buying decor stuff. Always buy two. That is cute. Kawaii. So this.
What do you guys think? So I'm gonna try and get a shelf or something like that because this is literally my table. Hey guys. How is my background looking? This is my panda. My panda.
Where'd you get that?
I got it for my birthday.
Okay.
No, yes. How does that look? No.
No
Okay,
candle
okay.
on the table on the front.
Okay, all right.
Alright,
That's
but
why
yeah,
she's here.
yeah, guys, this is good. I guess we just need like 2 more or just 1 more piece of pink.
Okay, so get
Yeah.
one more pink and get some beads.
Some beads for the gods.
Okay. Get a table.
All right.
Anything
What's
else?
next?
I
I'm
think
getting
that's-
hyped
oh,
up, you know.
I need Sashoni's life. No, I need to find out how can I get like something. So you know when you watch
Or you
it,
can just put decals that say dreams or dreams come true, or it depends.
where do I get that?
AliExpress or
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, let me know what you think about this. So far we're gonna add some more stuff, but this is just, you know, the beginning. I think maybe, do you think I should, like, when I'm doing videos, I'm gonna sit in the middle like this. I'm gonna get 1 more of this. Hopefully I can get the same design.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and
get
then
it today.
and
Just in
then
case.
I'm gonna probably get something here. This is not earthquake friendly, you know.
No, that's what you need.
It's
these.
falling down.
There you go.
Okay, so this is where I'm gonna end the video for today. I want to thank you, Francine, for helping me to decorate my background.
Yeah, I like the flowers.
Yeah, I like this one.
Hopefully we can probably get some more
Ooh, flowers.
sticks.
Oh, and get the bead thingy.
We're gonna put some beads in the vase so that it will just stay on the table because it's on top of the fur mat right now, and if you know anything about fur, it's gonna move. So yeah, we don't want to have it being falling all over the place when we're at work and such, so we're gonna just get some beads and put in there.
Or when there's an earthquake,
Yeah.
which is very often.
So, and the background is looking good with the vase and the couch, the covers. Yes.
Yeah, so let me know guys, how do you think we did?
Yeah.
Did we do a good job or not?
I think so because we didn't spend a lot of money for all of these things. It was
Less than 2,000 yen for everything to just, you know, spruce up
less than $20, guys.
spruce up my area.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me know what else can I do to add or to enhance the background for you guys. So when I'm doing sit down videos, it's easier on your eyes. And yeah,
That's it.
yeah. So let me know guys. I'm gonna try and add some more stuff to my apartment. Not a lot of stuff, you know. So if you guys want me to do like an updated apartment tour, let me know.
Sure. Yeah. That would be good.
Yeah, but I need to clean up my closet first before I do that.
You guys need a closet tour. Yeah.
Hell no. It's so embarrassing. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also check out Francine's channel. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below.
Yeah. All right, guys. Bye.